Unravel the mystery of relative adverbs. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into a very important topic in English grammar: relative adverbs. If you've been struggling to understand what relative adverbs are and how to use them, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a firm grip on this topic. Relative adverbs are a special group of adverbs that we use to connect sentences or clauses. There are three main relative adverbs in English: where, when, and why. Where is used for place. When is used for time. Why is used for reason. For example, look at these sentences. 1. This is the place. I met him here. 2. This is the place where I met him. The relative adverb where helps us combine these two sentences into one. Now, let's explore how we use these relative adverbs in sentences. Where. We use where to relate a place or position. Example: do you know the cafe where we first met? When. We use when to relate a time or an occasion. Example: I will never forget the day when we went to the beach together. Why. We use why to explain the reason or cause. Example: this is the reason why I decided to learn English. Remember, these adverbs are flexible and can be moved around within the clause for stylistic reasons. Let's review the key concepts about relative adverbs. 1. They are used to connect two sentences or clauses. 2. The main relative adverbs are where, when, why. 3. Where relates to a place, when relates to a time, and why relates to a reason. 4. These relative adverbs can be moved around within the clause. Try to use these relative adverbs in your own sentences, and you'll start getting comfortable with them in no time. That's all for today's lesson on relative adverbs. I hope this video has helped you understand what they are and how to use them. As always, practice makes perfect, so keep using them in your day-to-day conversation. Happy learning, and we'll see you in our next lesson.